I am making oatmeal raisin cookies. Got my yellow cake mix here. With my eggs, if you thump them on the counter instead of the edge of the bowl, you won't get so many shells in. And then got my oil. Now this is just regular vegetable oil. I just keep it in this little squirt bottle because it's easier for me to handle instead of the great big bottle because I buy it in bulk. And stir this up. And then I'm going to add my oatmeal, quick oats, and my raisins. My pan, 9 by 13. Spray it with oil. That's my refillable oil. Just get it all pressed in there so it's fairly even. Now we're gonna throw this in the oven and bake it. Making my chocolate oatmeal raisin cookies. Oh, yum. Oh, yum. That looks delicious.